Saffron by Pooja Seal. I'm Pooja, and continuing on the Indian recipes that I'm going to share this week because of the Indian festivals that's going on. Today I'm going to share a very popular and special dish, aloo dum, and that's a potato with a gravy curry. And sometimes the gravy is very dry, sometimes the gravies are like a little thick. So today I'm going to share one of my recipes which I have like gathered with all the spices and everything. It's very good, flavorful and very spicy and tasty. So let's go and share the recipe and show you how to do it. For the aloo dum, we need about 2 pounds of parboiled potatoes. I've cut it into half. Now in 2 tablespoons of oil in a hot pan, we are going to add 1 teaspoonful of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoonful of asafoetida powder or hing, and then we are going to heat for a few minutes. Then we are going to add 3 teaspoonful of ginger paste, once the ginger paste is added, we are going to cook it for a few minutes. Then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. You can add tomato puree too. Then we are going to cook the tomato paste till the rawness of the tomatoes are gone. So you can see the tomato paste is fully cooked. At this point, we are going to add the spice mixture, which is 1 teaspoonful of red chili powder, 2 teaspoonful of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoonful of turmeric powder. So we are going to add this to the tomato mixture. And again, we are going to cook it for a few minutes. Then we are adding salt as desired. Mix it through. Then we are going to add the potatoes. We'll mix the spice mixture with the potatoes and cook it for a few minutes. Once you have cooked for a few minutes, at this point we will see if the oil has separated out from the spice mixture or not. Yes, it has. So this is the time when we add about a cup of water. Give it a stir. And then we are going to cover it and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the potatoes have cooked and the oil has separated out. So we are going to take 2 teaspoonful of dry roasted cumin seeds and 1 dried red chili, grind them together and make the spice mixture. And we are going to add half of the spice mixture to the aloo dum or the potato curry. Then we are going to mix it through, and your spicy, tasty aloo dum is ready to serve. So our aloo dum or the potato curry is done. So I'm going to plate it. You can see the nice and beautiful color on it because of the tomatoes and the Kashmiri chili powder. And what we are going to do, we are going to use the same roasted cumin and roasted dried red chili. Sprinkle some on top. It smells so good, the roasted cumin. And then we are going to take some sliced green chili, just here and there, and some cilantro leaves. So here you go, your aloo dum, spicy and flavorful and awesomely aromatic aloo dum is ready, or the potato curry. Hopefully you'll make it. And don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel, Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal. And if you want all the ingredients, the list of all the ingredients, it's in the description box. And what will go with it, like you can have it with just a plain Indian roti, or you'll see I have in my channel there is a puffed like a fried flatbread with peas filling in it. That goes best with this. I'll share the link in my description box too. And don't forget to push the bell icon, because if you push it, then you will get notifications all the time when I post any recipe. So see you then. Bye.